Hello everyone, once again SciSpace bring another amazing AI tool for all of you, Word Doc Editor. This AI tool allows you to edit Word document live. Let's see what you can do with this tool. Upload your Word document and ask for certain style or format and it builds the document that way. No more jumping between the tabs. You can see here I have given the Word formatting instruction and it is working on that. And here is the document we asked for. If you want to edit your document further, you can do it here. There is a menu bar. There are a lot of options. You can see it. And there is an AI tool also. You can do a lot of things here. You can summarize the document, translate it. You can do the grammar and spelling checks. And there is an AI chat box also. You can find the relevant and academic paper related to the topic. You can ask questions like what are recent studies on this particular topic. What I do here is I ask the AI agent write the abstract section and add keywords to this document. So it did it here. Another amazing thing is whatever editing you do, edits come back as red lines. So you can see exactly what it changed and keep it or undo it. Another thing you can do here is instead of uploading a document, give the prompt write a document on this topic within this criteria or in a certain formatting. It will do it for you like it did it here and gave me a complete article. Another amazing thing about this agent is folder intelligence. Put your PDFs in designated folder. Ask the agent do anything with the whole folder. In custom setting, you can see the commands, pull the findings together, compare methods, spot what is missing, draft your related work section, and you can add your own command also. I have given the task to summarize all the related documents and it gave me a summary by comparing all the documents. So now you see, this agent not only useful for researchers, but it is equally useful for university students, graduate students, PhD candidates, academics, professors, and tech-savvy professionals also. So hurry up, don't wait for too long. Click on the link given in description box below. Use the code AOMBIO35 for 35% off on Max plan. You will get 40,000 credits and these credits will allow you to run multiple research tasks. Thank you.